Hello plant enthusiasts! Today we're immersing ourselves in the delightful world of Syngonium Confetti, a charming member of the Syngonium family with a story rooted in tropical allure. Originating from the rainforests of Central and South America, this plant is celebrated for its unique foliage. Syngonium Confetti earned its name from the whimsical confetti-like patterns on its leaves. This tropical beauty displays arrow-shaped leaves adorned with playful confetti-like speckles. The vibrant colors and whimsical patterns make Syngonium Confetti a visually appealing addition to any indoor haven, earning its place as a favorite among plant enthusiasts. To thrive, Syngonium Confetti prefers well-draining soil, indirect light, and moderate moisture. It adapts well to indoor environments, making it a perfect choice for homes and offices. Maintaining a humid environment and providing a filtered light contribute to its overall health. For companion planting, consider pairing Syngonium Confetti with other tropical plants that share similar care preferences. This creates a vibrant, lush atmosphere and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your indoor green space. Primarily grown for its ornamental value, Syngonium Confetti also contributes to indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. Its playful foliage makes it an ideal choice for decorative containers or as a standout feature in your indoor plant collection. Its unique foliage, confetti-like patterns, and ease of care make it a cherished choice among plant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants. Until next time, may your indoor garden thrive, and may Syngonium Confetti add a touch of whimsy to your botanical journey. Farewell and happy gardening.